Let's get started. Place the chicken wings in a large bowl. Toss them with sesame oil. Pepper, flour, and salt. Use your hands to mix and ensure all the wings are coated. Place the wings onto prepared baking sheet. And bake at 190 degrees Celsius for about 40 to 55 minutes or until golden brown and crispy. While the chicken wings are baking, make the glaze in a saucepan over medium-high heat. Stir butter, garlic powder, ketchup, brown sugar, and soy sauce. Cook until hot about 5 minutes. Remove the wings from the oven and let them rest for a while. Brush the wings with glaze on both sides. Then transfer them to a serving platter. Garnish with sesame seeds. Hope you guys like it. Share this recipe with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep updated.